Hello kids, let's play a quiz about community helpers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get started. See the picture and guess the name. Can you guess who I am?
You're a teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the answer in 3 seconds, okay? 3, 2, 1. Yes, you're right. This is a teacher. Next question. Can you guess who I am?
Cobbler.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I am a cobbler. Let's get to the next question. Can you guess who I am?
You're a tailor.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. You are right. It's a tailor. Okay, now the next question. Can you guess who I am?
You're a farmer.
Very good. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I am a farmer. Now, can you guess who I am? Okay, I will give you a hint. I repair the pipes, water pipes.
Plumber.
Yes, I am a plumber. Now, can you guess who I am?
You're a nurse.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, you told a wrong answer. It's a doctor. No issues. Next question. Can you guess who I am?
You're a nurse.
Might be this time you're right. Let's check. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I'm a nurse. Now the next question. Can you guess who I am?
You're a electrician.
Pakka?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I am electrician. Okay, now can you guess who I am?
You're a police.
Yes, the person who catch the thief or robber.
And also strangers.
3, 2, 1. Yes, I'm a police. Now can you guess who I am?
You're military.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, actually you don't have to say military, you have to say soldier. The right name is soldier, okay? Okay. Now, can you guess who I am? Who cuts your hair?
You're a barber.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, let us see. Yes, I am a barber. Can you guess who I am?
You. Postman.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, you are right. I am a postman. Can you guess who I am? Who cuts the wood?
Carpenter.
Pakka?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I am a carpenter. Now, can you guess who I am? Who repairs the car?
Mechanic.
Mechanic. Sure?
Yeah.
Let's see. Yes, I am a mechanic. Now, can you guess who I am?
Drawing police.
No, it's a traffic police. You have police for drawing also? Okay, fine. I am a traffic police. Okay? Can you guess who I am?
You're a bus driver.
Yeah. You can say driver also, okay? You don't have to specify any vehicle name. You can just say driver. Yes, I am a driver. Now, can you guess who I am?
You're cleaner.
Yes, you are right. Now let us check. Yeah, you're a cleaner, or you can also say as a sweeper. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you guess who I am? I make delicious food.
You're a bar chef.
You're a chef?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Yes, I am a chef. Now, next question. Can you guess who I am who treats the animal?
Pet doctor.
Yes, pet doctor is also known as veterinarian. Veterinarian. Okay, now the last question. Can you guess who I am?
You're a principal.
No, he's the judge.
Judge.
Yes, it is a judge. Okay, let's see. I am a judge. So far, 2 wrong answers you got. It's okay. Thank you for watching. Thanks for playing.